forecast in the Ozarks.
Along about 7:30 to 8 o'clock this evening, if you were outside or looking out the window, it looked like it was going to rain. You may have gotten a little bit excited. We did have some dark clouds move through the area. That was right along the cold front, and those winds behind that front actually picked up. We saw a few sprinkles with the front as it made its way across Springfield. Things are dry. It'll stay that way, I think, the rest of the night. Here's a live look at the square here in downtown Springfield. A little bit of a breeze out there. Certainly still warm out there with temperatures generally in the low to mid 80s across the area. Notice, though, that winds are now out of the north at 14 miles per hour. It was a warm day from start to finish. No relief from the heat this morning either. Started off at 77, an afternoon high of 94 degrees this afternoon. There's plenty more of that in the forecast to head through the weekend into early next week. On radar right now, we find that areas that had a little bit of a severe weather risk earlier this afternoon are now completely in the clear. Looks like the wet weather chances have ended in areas like Vienna, southeast across Rolla and Salem. We are finding, though, some showers and thunderstorms, at least in areas east of Springfield. Here in our area, we're finding that front. You can see it right there. An isolated shower did manage to pop up just south of Republic, track toward the Nixa area. Looks like it's faded away over Ozark. Off to the east, so we have a few more isolated showers and thunderstorms. Looks like a little bit of activity west and east of Kabul, maybe as far west as just south of the Mountain Grove area. The heavier showers and thunderstorms, though, have been in areas of northern Shannon County. We've got a heavy thunderstorm right here that looks like it's going to track maybe just west of Eminence. We've got another heavy thunderstorm that will track just east of Eminence. We'll wait and see if it tries to fill in between. Bigger picture shows you that wave of thunderstorms that missed the area. Boy, that has been a theme over the last month where we see these storm complexes. It looks like they're going to make a run at the area and then they just fade away or they miss our area altogether. That's what we found this morning with a wave of thunderstorms pressing from west to east across northern Missouri. Had a little bit of activity trying to clip our northern counties. That wave of thunderstorms, a little pocket of energy in the atmosphere generating some severe weather across parts of Illinois, including several reports of tornadoes near Peoria. I think for us, the severe weather risk, in all intents and purposes, is over with for tonight, but still looking at a threat of a heavy thunderstorm in places like Shannon County South, maybe down into Oregon County. Looking ahead to tomorrow, I am expecting another area of thunderstorms to fire up across the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. That leftover energy, that little storm swirl, is going to be making its way east across northeast Oklahoma and southeast Kansas by the end of the afternoon tomorrow. That pocket of energy may help trigger some spotty showers and thunderstorms here closer to this stalled out front in northwest Arkansas, and maybe even an isolated severe thunderstorm with some wind or hail. Really not expecting too much of that. I think as far as rain chances go, I think it's going to be areas near and south of the state line that really stand a chance at seeing some spotty shower and thunderstorm activity. Areas to the north expecting another dry day. Hour by hour forecast for tonight. You can see how it goes quiet. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. I do think that we are going to be looking at patchy clouds like we've seen the last few days, on and off patchy clouds throughout the day on Thursday. Once we get past lunchtime, again, we'll be keeping an eye on some storm development here in northwest Arkansas, especially that may try to translate further east into north central Arkansas. Overnight lows, more comfortable than this morning, dropping into the mid to upper 60s north to low 70s south. I think we may dip just below 70 here in Springfield with afternoon highs not quite as high as they were today. Looks like upper 80s near 90 to the north. Looks like low 90s here in Springfield, and low 90s will be coming to the southwest and south of Springfield as well. As far as the expected heat wave, well, we're kind of in the midst of it, but it should intensify as we get into the upcoming weekend. Why? Because the summer ridge, which has been suppressed to the south and southwest, will build over the area this weekend. That will stifle rain chances, stifle cloud cover, and lead to hotter days, I think, Saturday, Sunday, into Monday. But it looks like that ridge may once again get broken by the middle of next week. Tuesday into Wednesday, it looks like another dip in the jet stream may move far enough south to split that ridge and lead us in a direction of at least more cloud cover and some spotty shower and thunderstorm chances for Tuesday and Wednesday. So here's your 7-day forecast. Again, after highs in the low 90s on Thursday, I think we're back in the mid 90s on Friday. Friday's kind of a transition day. There's still going to be a slight chance for showers and thunderstorms, especially, I think, east of Highway 65. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, little to no rain at all in the area. And I expect lows in the mid 70s and highs in the mid to upper 90s. I would not be surprised if we don't crack 97, maybe 98 over the weekend, at least in some places, including Springfield. Monday still looking at highs around 96 with the additional cloud cover and a little uptick in rain chances. I think it should be a touch cooler for Tuesday and Wednesday.
But short term, I mean, we're going to have a little bit of a break.
A little bit.
Tomorrow
Small
and Thursday. Just a
smidge.
little. Yeah.
Don't overstate the case. It will still be very warm tomorrow.
And then one of the hotter weekends we've seen in a while here in the Ozarks.
Yes, it will. And we could see the hottest readings of the year so far, I think, this upcoming weekend as well.
We'll be on triple digit watch, Jamie.
Yes, we
There
will.
you go. Thanks, Jamie.